I'm starting a vlog on a weekday and I don't know where to pick up from. Today is Tuesday and my sister is just lying there on the bed looking at me when she saw that I pulled out my selfie stick. She was like, "This babe, you're serious." So what do you have to say to my camera?
Hi guys, subscribe to my sister's YouTube channel. She's trying to get as much subscribers as she can. You guys know how YouTube works, so you have to subscribe and also watch and share and be a part of our growth and journey. Yeah, so subscribe.
Go and subscribe if you haven't done that. Okay, I think we'll go to black. Yes, this man. The board right there. Got back from the plywood factory and I have dishes to do. Normally I find a way to like avoid doing dishes.
We only need the two of us together, 'cause we got love. It's heavy weather. We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us together. 'Cause we got